We are at IKEA and we're about to go in and get some Billy bookshelves. I measured the wall and I have space for 2 large Billy bookshelves and then 1 like skinny one to go in the middle. And then I'm gonna get the extenders because I have 8-foot ceilings. So I'm like barely made it to do these extenders. So I'll show you guys. I love IKEA and yeah, we're gonna get these shelves. They said they have 2 in stock of the large ones. So I hope that they have not sold out. All right, we found our first shelf, the skinny Billy. We're doing brown walnut effect. $227 for an entire bookshelf wall. You cannot beat it. All right, hubby is starting on our Billy bookshelves. This is not my forte. I'm going to see myself out.
Majesty, only Paolo. I'm gonna take this and give you
A princess. Just moved this rug in here and our 2 reading chairs. I'm LOLing at the fact that I thought I was gonna have room for a window seat because my chair fits perfect so I can have my bookies behind me. But yeah, no room for a window seat. And then I'm going to do my fireplace mantle and then a little white shelf over here for the PlayStation. And then I'm gonna add more like bookshelves and stuff on the wall and bookish things. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. But yeah, here she is. I'm about to bring some of my books in here and put them on the shelf. Here she is. There wouldn't be any of this unless there was these. For ceremonial purposes. Here's the first one. I don't want to put this in a frame, like a tiny frame, and put it on the shelf. And I'm gonna redo this a million freaking times.
Yeah. Well, I was looking them all in here and then decide.
Exactly. This is so crazy. Dude, you can tell I was going through it in ACOWAR. The spine of this book, I can't wait to reread these. The spine of this book is pissed. No, you. Let me see him. Here we go, baby. Mommy not mad at you. Or is he like here? Look at him go. Oh, he kind of hangs weird right there. He kind of loves it here. I'm thinking that's his little spot.
Oh, I bet it's gonna smell like books in here too.
Dude, I can't wait. Books, fresh paint, like... Oh my gosh, these shelves are literally perfect for my Sarah J. Maas. Look at
this.
I can't wait. Dude, I'm so excited. And my dragons. Lahaba, baby. I've never been able to display my books like all cool. Oh my gosh. Look at how cool they look. And I get to play doing this all the time. And it's so cute because the fire sprites guard the books, babe. Now I'm starting to feel like I need to scooch down Sarah J. Maas, and since this comes with the dragon, well, not comes with the dragon, but I have a dragon planned. Dude, I feel like a freaking kid at Christmas right now. Like, I'm actually so freaking excited.
Get the plate?
Yes. God, it smells so good in here. I have so much room. Like, and my center, like what got me into reading again, that makes me want to cry. Why is this emotional low-key?
Because you've always wanted something like this.
Are you emotional?
Well, yeah, for you.
Okay. Mommy's playing right now. Hey, do not lick those. This literally feels so crazy. Okay, these all need to stay in order. These are Zodiac.
Yeah, I got 1 and 2.
Okay, the fact that I have... These are just ruthless boys. That's crazy. I don't even know. Oh my gosh. Which shelf do I put these on? Oh my gosh. Obviously here because they're some of my favorites.
You got more books than I thought you did. You were just tucking them in there.
Because I was tucking them in there. And this is why I need more bookends. I'm so excited.
This is so cute. Oh, the fact you put all those zodiacs on.
I know. Got me kissing the ground. Yeah, I can like actually not wait to do my little dragon, and I need like Zayden stuff. Look at look. I'm a sanctuary. I need the other novellas because I have to have them. Do I need them? No. Did I enjoy them that much? No. But do I need them? Why, yes.
Dude, the zodiac shelf, that is crazy.
I know. Penelope, baby, you get your own spot. Babe, I'm gonna be able to have a hockey section. Pucking Around was the first hockey book that I read.
Shit is crazy.
What a time. H.G. Carlton, Penelope Weller, Devil's Night series not completed. See, I actually do not buy a lot of books.
No.
Because, yes I do.
Well,
But,
you more though with how much you read.
true. I do want to do them by genre because that's just really cool. That's very library vibes. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Sports romance, thank you. And also, sports romance and the Twisted series goes together because they just do. I don't know. They don't, but in my... Even though I like sports romance, it's better. But like, look. See? Girly pop, dark romance, the goats. Fantasy's over here. Oh yeah, should I do a TBR shelf, like if I haven't read them? A lot of people, you know what a lot of people do? They turn it around if they haven't read it. That's kind of cool.
I think it looks ugly. I get the concept, because you know if you read it or not.
Well, because it's like a visual. I think you know what I'm going to do? If I haven't read it, it's going to... Well, then I'll forget it. If I haven't read it, it's going to go down. Oh. Because it's like that's...
You know what you read.
Because then I'll be looking at my stuff and be like, what do I feel like reading today? Let me go to my library.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this is sports romance, but it's also rip your freaking heart out section. And I have a feeling, God, but in a good way though. You got me kissing. Dude, this is such a vibe. On my bookshelf though, the short is not giving anything to anybody. Ew, yeah, I have to get the hardcover. Oh my gosh, I annotated a lot of these. Stunning. Short book and then a tall. Yuck. That's sick. I haven't read these. I'm coming for you. Oh my god, I forgot about this. See, this is another reason I need to see them. I just like the hype was for what, you guys?
Yeah, the Phantasma hype seemed like it was...
Was the hype okay?
You need to read that one. She just put down.
I know. When I'm in a mood to get like super depressed, gorge. These two are kind of the same energy. Ew, like they're not matching.
Yeah, we'll
what?
and then we can just have a separate.
Yuck, we need to go to a thrift store and thrift these. Like, I can't. I do not like this. Do not come to my town. This is gonna go downstairs on the shelf just as decoration because I will not shelf these with my books. So they do not match. You got me kissing the ground.
That's one that I would say the movie was actually better than the book, low-key.
That's because Steven Spielberg did it. I want to go to Books A Million now. Yeah, I gotta go to the store now.
Yep.
That's genuinely actually
But
crazy.
you gotta take a picture once you have all them up there because I swear in like a year it'll be overflowing.
Oh yeah, like it's
Yeah.
gonna be insane.
I'm gonna get those extenders, really.
I
We'll
know.
do that sometime.
We're definitely, and then you know it'd be cool, have the extenders and put all Sarah J Maas on the extenders. Keep them at the top. We don't forget where we started. I need an entire resand situation. Hey, Stink Stink. You want to help mommy with this? I just like to see. This could be like this, and then I could get Lego flowers for it.
Is that how it goes?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that looks right. They have the dragon. You gotta glue him.
You glue his mouthpiece in there the way you want it. I don't really want to do that yet.
Yeah.
You can pop him on there. I've already
I
tried.
think I just leave that bitch on her, especially the way you're doing it.
But if he fell, dude, I need to get like a dragon bookend. That's crazy.
I think it goes hard. Exciting pink.
I know, the dragon, like... Am I still recording? It's happening. We're getting a chandelier today. Here is the before, and I'll show you guys the after. We have a chandelier. Thank you to our hubby. Well, my hubby. He kills it every time. I'm obsessed. We're gonna hang some ribbons and it's gonna be so freaking gorgeous. I am so obsessed. It's perfect. It's like a little baby. We have a new update. My fireplace mantle is here. Hubby is putting the anchor in the wall and we're about to have a little fireplace. And it is snowing. The view from my reading chair is everything. Here is an update of what we're working with. I did order an Amazon rug. I freaking hated it. I had this rug already and it was too small for the room that I originally got it for. So we're just putting it here for now. But yeah, I was originally gonna get a 9x11, which went in this room. So the whole rug thing was a really long story, but just the floor is damaged over there. I think I talked about that. I can't remember. So we're using this rug for now. That is what we have. So here are some updates. We've got the chairs in here. We've got curtains up. These curtains were in here when this room was like a closet room. They're stunning. They're gorgeous. They're a little short. And then I ordered a double curtain rod. My husband went ahead and put it up. So there's another rod in here and I ordered these white curtains that'll be here tomorrow and they're gonna be like sheer and they'll go underneath there to like kind of like block out, you know, views from outside. And yeah, I took the blinds off. I'm so glad I did that. But yeah, here are the chairs. And here are my bookshelves. I know I uploaded footage of me loading my bookshelves and I absolutely had so much fun doing that. And I said in the footage of that I was gonna go back and redo everything, and of course I did. So this is kind of what we're working with. And I bought ribbons and I cut them up into little different thingies. I'm gonna put these ribbons on the chandelier and I'm gonna show you guys like a montage of that, how I wanna do it. And then I was gonna show you guys my organized bookshelf tour, and I'll do that probably in a separate video actually, but this is the updated tour. I just bought that cute little vine thingy at Michael's today. I say cute, I like it, and then I'm like, I hate it. I can't really tell, but I kind of like the greenery it adds. And then I put all my books on those shelves instead of that. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. So this right here she is. I'm so happy. This is my mantle, and I knew I wanted a mantle for like a faux mantle, like a fireplace vibe in this book room. So I'm so obsessed. I ordered it on Amazon, and then my husband mounted the TV for me. I'm gonna do like a faux frame thingy to go over this. That way it'll give like a vintage vibe. And then when we're not using the TV, I can put like art on it or something. I don't know. And then, yeah, I've been playing around. This is not completely done. This is just like cutesy vibes right now. But I bought this poster board at Michael's. So this mantle comes like this. And obviously we don't wanna see those cords. I ordered a shelf, it's not here yet, but it's a cutie little shelf. I'm gonna have my husband's PlayStation on top of it. We usually use the PlayStation to like watch movies and stuff. And then I thrifted all of these cute DVDs right here. So I thrifted these and I have a really good idea. I wanna do like a little tower table thingy right here. His PlayStation will be on top, and then I wanna have just super girly, like early 2000s DVDs. I'm collecting like early 2000s DVDs just because I love the look of it, and sometimes I don't want to stream and see if something's not on my, you know, Netflix or whatever. So I thought this would be super cute. And also they just look really cute. So I'm so excited. So that'll be cute with the little shelf. It's white. Anyway, so yeah, that's the mantle. We've got our TV because he games, and I think I said that in one of those vlogs. So his chair's here. He'll be sitting looking straight at the TV. And then when he's not gaming in here, I'll put like a little chick flick on and it'll be so cute in here. But yeah, back to the poster board. So I got this poster board. I saw a girl do this on TikTok and she did it with like foam boarding, or like she did peel and stick tiles on her wall, but I don't want to put that on my wall. So I got this like poster board, it's like cardboard thing, and I'm gonna cut it to size. And then I ordered these really cute Amazon tiles, the stick-on ones, and I'm gonna stick it on there so you won't see any cords. So I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. And then this TV sticks out way more than I like, but I have these candles. I don't know what I wanna do underneath there, like once the tiles are there and it's all cutie and stuff. I was gonna put those candles there originally, But I have dogs and they'll be laying in here and stuff, and I don't really want them getting into the candles. So once I do the tile, and I'll show you guys, we'll come up with something else. I don't know. So yeah, and then I also am gonna get an 8x10 rug because originally, back to the rug fiasco, I measured this room. This room has this kick out wall, as you guys have seen, but it's a long rectangle and it can't fit a 9x12, but it could fit a 9x11. So I was like, okay, I'll look for a 9x11. I ordered the rug, disgusting, ugly, orange. It said it was beige. Baby, it's not beige. It was orange and crazy and I hated it. So yeah, I sent that back, thank God. And then I was like, I'm gonna use this. I literally love this rug so much. This is a 5x7. This is so tiny. But now that I have all my furniture in here, I'm such a like buyer. Like I buy stuff and then I don't think it through. And then I'm like, oh, I should have thought that through because wow. But all along, I didn't think I could do an 8x10 because I thought it would look weird. But an 8x10 is gonna fit perfect. So I measured, I'm gonna have it laying either like this or like flipped, I don't know. But it's gonna be in this area of the room and it's gonna come to like here. So you're gonna see a little bit of wood, which I actually love the wood. I think the wood is gorgeous. If it wasn't damaged over there, I would have this one like centered and then we probably would just stick with this one. But it is damaged a little bit, so it is what it is. I am gonna put some ribbons on here and I cannot wait. It's gonna be so whimsical and beautiful. Which do you think looks better? Because I was like playing around with this earlier and then I was like, I don't know, I'm gonna wait. I originally put them over like this, but then I was like, when you tie it, it looks kind of stupid, and if you just hang it there, honestly kind of a vibe if you hang it there. We're gonna do a girly DVD situation. Shelf will be here Saturday.
Okay.
So I
That was
have
the first thing I noticed when I was
like the most awkward length. Here is the final result. I put ribbons on the bottom tier. I'm so freaking obsessed. And then I put one on each little loopy around the chandelier. And then at the top, I put like a little waterfall on top. I didn't want to cover up the chandelier, but now that I'm looking, it's so pretty that I'm like, I need more ribbons. So basically, I'm going to have to go to Michael's and get more ribbons. But let me scooch back. It's just giving so kind of like shabby chic vibes. Yeah, I'm obsessed. These are the tiles that I ordered. Love. They're cutesy. We love to see them. And then I got poster board, and I didn't vlog this because I was having a minty bee, but I cut it to size, and I'm not going to put it in there right now, but it fits if it's in there. But I'm about to lay this down, put my tiles on, and I kind of wanted to show you guys the process. But yeah, here is our poster board. We cut her. It was one of those like tri-fold ones, so I had to like cut it and finagle it. And yeah, it's gonna be in here hiding all of our yuckies, but it's gonna look like it's a little backsplash. So all right, here she is. Definitely not perfect, but I mean, yeah, I'm not mad at it. This side I cut way too much. I might fix it, I might not, because the plan is to stack this entire fireplace with books. So I might just do like a really high stack there and then like cover that up and then like do like little tapering. But yeah, I always have wanted the candles in here, so it still looks better than the cords. Here's like when I'm sitting down. So yeah, I'm not mad at it at all. I think it looks good for what we're working with. My next project is to wallpaper that cabinet. But yeah, I am obsessed. I think it looks so good.